how y'all doing? Back with another one. So I've gotten a couple of messages asking me what I do for work. I'm an over-the-road truck driver, and I thought it would have been a good opportunity to make a new addition to this channel, as far as showing you guys different states, different things that I do throughout my day-to-day basis as a truck driver. Currently, right now, I'm in California, but I wanted to just basically show you guys what it is to be an over-the-road truck driver. I'm still going to be doing a lot of car content. I just figured in the meantime that this could be done. Now, I'm usually over the road for about 2, maybe 3 weeks at a time. So I think that in the midst of me doing car stuff, I can actually do this. I thought that, like I said, it was a good opportunity to kind of make this addition and say, you know what, let's do this. You know, like I said, I got a few requests on what I do, and I just figured that it was a great opportunity. So let me show you guys my truck. That's her right there. I don't know if you guys can really hear me because it's kind of loud. Everybody idles. They're not supposed to be idling their truck, but people idle their truck because, you know, obviously you don't want to burn up in the truck or be too hot or something like that. But as you guys saw some clips of the mountains and stuff like that, it's not really much to look at, I'll be honest with you, until you get on the road. You know what I mean? But it's still, I still want to bring you guys these type of videos because I feel like I see a lot of different sites that normal people just wouldn't see. Sometimes I might go to Vegas, you know, sometimes I might go to Washington State, sometimes I might go all the way up to New York. It just all depends. I've touched every single state so far in my whole career. I've been truck driving for about a little bit under 9 years, and honestly, it's been good for me, and it's been good to my family. Now, granted, you know, as you guys may or may not know, I'm married, I have 2 kids, so it's definitely stressful on them and on me because, you know, I have young kids, wife. It's hard to just be, you know, over the road away from them. But we try to make the best of it, and we try to make it do. With that being said, you know, if you guys ever had a question or wanted to know anything about truck driving, please feel free to hit me up. You can hit me up on my Instagram at DA_Juice392, or you could even comment down below. And if you have any questions about being a truck driver or even coming to my company, I'll definitely answer you guys' questions. So I'm actually about to walk into this truck stop, grab me some breakfast. If you're wondering what this headset is, I don't work at McDonald's, as I said. I'm over-the-road truck driver. This is a Blue Parrot headset, man. We have to use this, or else, man. It's a $2,000 fine, so definitely don't want that. So walk in here real quick, and I'll be back with you guys in a bit. So, quick update. You just never know how stuff works, man, in life. So, I'm driving down the highway on my way to Louisiana, as you guys know, and I got a nail in my tire. So, you know, needless to say, you know, there's always that unguarded moment. There's always that moment that you just never know of what can happen down the road. Maybe that's a way of God saying that, listen, you got to be off the road right now, and you never know that if there's an accident waiting for you down the road or something like that. So that's how I try to look at things. I'm just trying to look at the positive on everything that I do. So as I'm here right now, whatever, I need to do an oil change on my truck regardless. So it's like, you know what? Let's just knock out both and just see what happens, man. At least right now, they don't even have a long wait over here. So that's always a good thing. At least I can, get this done, get back out on the road, and get back to making money. So just giving you guys a quick update. You just never know what could happen, and you just always gotta try to stay positive in anything that happens. Make a negative into a positive, at the end of the day. So it is what it is. So I'll be back with y'all in a little bit. Yo, so I know I said that you gotta be positive, and trust me, I'm one of the most positive people. But it turns out that I can't get my tire patched. It has a slash in it. I don't know how that happened, where it happened, but it happened. Now I gotta get a whole brand new tire, but it is what it is. Just give me an update on that, man. I'm gonna hit the road here shortly, man. Hopefully. We'll see what happens. They're working on it right now. Are they? Maybe? I don't know. We'll see. I just want to thank Joe for actually finding out that thing, man. Yeah, you got to, man. Just got to thank Joe, man, for pointing that out, man, because if I would have went back out on the road with that would have been crazy. But at least, like I said, we're going to get it taken care of, and they're going to get me rolling out here in a jiffy, man. Like that, man, they got me fixed and ready to go. So I'm about to roll on out. $600 later, man. Crazy. I don't believe it. It's crazy. $600 later. But hey, that's the game that we play. You gotta spend money to make money out here. It's unfortunate, but this is what it takes to keep the truck moving. So let's hit it. Tire repaired, it brought me here. Thankful for that. Yo, I'm about to shut it down, get on my little break, deliver in the morning. You know how it go, man. So appreciate you guys for tuning in to this channel again. If you like this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share it also, and don't forget to hit that